Alright, Brayden, open up. Go at it. You went to the dotted gift.
He didn't know how.
Here. Rip it.
This was easy, buddy. Look. You like it?
I see you. I see you. He's like, well, for a minute there, I didn't see any flashes. It's a big box.
Yay. Oh my goodness.
Hi. Hey. Hi. Hi. Yeah.
What is it? Plush 6-piece set.
What is it?
Great for baking. No.
You got
Tail pets.
You
Alright.
put that on your list. Look, Santa brought it for you.
Must have been nice, even though it wasn't a full 12 months.
Oh, you are great your first 7.5 months. Yay!
What do you like better, pail pets or paper?
Hey!